Our layoff aversion system starts with the development of an early warning network. An early warning network is designed to identify at-risk companies before it's too late. So what does our early warning network typically look like? Well, at the center of this network is EDSI. And what we do is we communicate and build a network of different individuals throughout a region that have access and knowledge about the companies and the well-being of those companies. So to start, with the workforce investment boards, we typically will find that there are job developers, and those are the individuals who provide outreach services with the companies and work with those companies to really identify job needs and labor needs. So they have a lot of information relative to companies, and that's piece one. The second part of the network are the EDCs, the Economic Development Councils. These individuals are challenged with the task of retaining the jobs they have in their community and growing the jobs they have in their community and improving the overall economic situation of those that live within their region. These individuals work directly with companies and often have great connections and a lot of corporate insight as to what's happening with companies within their area. So we also draw them into the early warning network. The next is the world of banking. We draw bankers into this network. The reason that we do this is because almost every region that we deal with has multiple bankers in it. Bankers lend money to businesses, and that's how they get paid. That's how bankers make money, is lending money. They also have access to the financial well-being of their clients. So once the bankers understand our layoff aversion system and the fact that it can actually help their clients, they become very willing participants in our early warning network. We also work with CPAs. We draw the accountants into this network. And for similar reasons, CPAs, once they understand our layoff aversion system, they recognize that it could help some of their clients. And for a CPA, the last thing they want to do is lose a client. And therefore, this system helps to stabilize at-risk clients and ultimately stabilize their revenue stream. So CPAs often become a critical part of the overall network. The next are attorneys. Attorneys often are trusted advisors for business owners and companies, and many times they understand the financial situation that the company finds itself in. And for all of the reasons I stated about CPAs and bankers, attorneys are also interested in seeing their clients survive and remain healthy. And once again, once they understand this system, they become part of the overall early warning network. In summary, this early warning network serves as the eyes and ears for the region to identify at-risk companies. Once this is up and running, it can be sustained for as long as a region wants the early warning network to be sustained. And once it is in place, it will constantly and regularly identify companies that are at risk and allow us to feed them into the layoff aversion system that will get them stabilized before it's too late.